Ay, Kimi.
Kadiro.
Yeah, come nagaya.
Waya.
Fayya jirta.
Naguma. Galatuwa kayo.
Akkas. Maal si gootar?
Ani Recha dhufe.
Irreecha dhufte? Aha. Irreechi waggaa sin darbu yeroo hundaan dhufta?
Boga baay'ee. Singatao. Kudhani. Kudha lama.
Waggaa 12?
Yeroo baay'ee.
Dhiita hemaan. Maal akkan dhugaa jirta?
Daddy.
Nam macheessani? Xiqqoo nam macheessa? Hin jaalatta?
Alcohol baay'een qabu.
Alkoolii baay'een qabu?
Rakkoon hin jiru.
Akkasini? Ayyeen irreechi baran akkam?
Irreecha baay'ee naan gammada. Na gammachiisa.
Ayyee?
Sirba jaalladha.
Sirba Oromoo jaalatta? Akkas. Maal jechuu fedhe? Warri dabarsaa jiru maal dabarsuu fedhe?
Maal jettee?
Maal dabarsuu fedha? Maal jechuu barbaadde?
Damsa. Damsa. Eenyudha? Damsa for who? For Oromo. Aadaa kee hin irraanfattini. Afaan kee hin irraanfattini.
Ayyee?
Ijoollee kee barsiisi.
Ayyee?
Afaan Oromoo, aadaa Oromoo kabaja. Barsiisi.
Ayyee? You can say something in English if you want to.
Okay, what should I say?
About, anything you want to say.
About the Irreecha?
Yes.
This is the really only Oromo event that only Oromo celebrates, the Irreecha. That's why it makes me so happy.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody come with their...
Can you say something about the beauty of this culture?
Yes. The Oromos, they really fought for a long time to have autonomy, to be able to express, even to speak their language was illegal for so many years. And now in Ethiopia, there's a lot of changes because of some Oromo leadership.
Yeah.
And we're all hoping and praying that some big change will come.
Okay. Do you want to have anything to say about the Kero?
The Kero is the young people who, it seems like in every country they risk their life. They're the ones that start the movements.
Yeah.
And a lot of Kero died, even high school kids, even elementary kids.
Yeah.
A lot of college students, a lot of Kero died in the struggle for freedom against the dictatorship.
Yeah. Are you planning to go to Oromia anytime soon?
Yes.
Yeah. When?
I'll be back in the summer.
December.
In June.
Oh.
No, in the summer.
December 2018.
Yes.
What are you planning to do there?
Just travel on my bicycle. I want to go to Borana and Guji.
Wow. Why Borana and Guji?
Because I went to every part of Oromia, but except for Wallo and Guji and Borana. So I need to go there.
So what is the attraction about going to Borana or Guji part of Oromia? Is it culture? Is it, like the beauty of the land? What is the attraction there?
Because every part of Oromia, the culture is a little bit different, even the language.
Yeah.
And the Borana, they're like very traditional still. Because I think because they live far away from the capital city.
The center, yeah.
And right, and the culture is very different even than RC culture or Lega culture. I just want to see and experience.
Yeah. So where did this tradition come from? Your dress.
This one is from RC.
RC.
This one is called Bonko.
Bonko?
Yes, I wore it when I got married, like around 15 years, a long time ago.
You got married to an RC man?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is from that time.
Is that the one given to you when you got married? Okay.
No, somebody made it for... Somebody made all of my wedding clothes and all of his wedding clothes. So this is the one that she made.
That is called Bonko. What is the one under the Bonko?
I don't remember.
Kolo.
It's Kolo. I don't know. I don't remember all the names.
What about this one? The one you put around your waist?
This is
Sapat.
Sanduka.
Sanduk.
No, not Sanduka. That's box.
Sambata?
No, Sambata.
Sapat. What is the one around your forehead?
This is Chale.
Chale. So what is this color symbolizes? The red, green.
The colors of the Oromo flag. Actually, the OLF flag.
Yeah.
Ah.
Which is now called the flag of resistance.
Yes. Yeah, it's very
Nice.
politicized, but it has a lot of symbolism. You see everywhere in the Orecho only that flag.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.